Oh, this is gonna suck. I'm doing this for El Michelle. I hope she's doing a video for herself too. Walking barefoot on these dang rocks just to go get splashed. He told me to sit here and get splashed, so I'm sitting here. Gonna get my butt wet, probably my feet wet. Come on, you can take a video, it's okay. Do what you want. I don't have swim trunks, I don't have any other pair, so whatever gets ruined gets ruined. And now they turn the waves off. Come on, hit me. Come on. Ah, that's where I need to be. Ah, okay. I take back what I said about your mother. Ah, all right. Here, is this? There we go. That's really beautiful though. I got a good splash on that last one. Sucks. Straight. Almost. Whoa, okay, that is cold, yeah. This is so fun. This is my water park, folks. Come on, I want one more. Bring it. Yeah. Come on, right here, right here. Almost. Uh-oh. I don't trust this one. Oh, okay. That's a little better. Uh-oh. I think I gotta go. Nope, all right, I'm good.
All right, you're done.
I'll just stand right here and take the next one. Ooh, that's cold. That's fun.